Hello, everyone, and welcome to Education with Sam.
In our previous video, we have looked at the introduction to direct variation, and I'll be dropping the link to that video in the description of this video. In today's video and subsequent other videos, we will be looking at sample problems relating to direct variation. So let's take a look at one of the examples. Number one, if E, let's take down, if E varies directly as F, varies directly as F, and F is equals to 12 when E is equals to 10. Find A, the relationship between E and F, and then B, F when E is equals to 6. Solution. Solution. So the first thing we are expected to do is expressing the first part of the question in a mathematical format. So let's write down the mathematical expression of the first part of the question. E, you add the the variation sign, varies directly as F. So this is the mathematical expression of the first part of the question. So you will now remove or you are expected to remove the variation sign by adding a constant or proportionality, which will give us E is equals to KF. So they said that F is equal to 12 when E is equal to 10. So where we see E, we are going to replace it with 10. So 10 is equals to K times, where we see F, we are going to replace it with 12 times 12. So we are now going to divide both sides, dividing both sides by 12. So after dividing both sides by 12, that's 10 divided by 12 will be equal to K times 10 all over 12. So 12 cancel 12 will give us, or will leave us with K. So K will then be equals to 10 all over 12. So therefore, the relationship between E and F is, to find the relationship, we are going to rewrite this equation. E is equals to, where we see K here, we are going to substitute with the value we have gotten, that is 10 all over 12. So E will then be equal to 10 all over 12 F. So this is now the relationship between E and F. So let's go to the second part of the question, B. So when E is equals to 6, we are expected to find F. So the first thing we are supposed to do is to write or rewrite down the relationship between E and F, which is E is equals to 10 all over 12 F. So here we are going to substitute the value of E with the value of E, which is 6, into this equation. So where we see E, we substitute it with 6. So which will give us 6 is equals to 10 all over 12 F. So we are then going to cross multiply to make F the subject of the formula. So cross multiply, which will now give us 12 times 6 equals to 10F. So F will now be equals to 12 times 6 all over 10. So 12 times 6 is equals to 72, and 72 divided by 10 will be equal to 7.2. So when E is equal to 6, F will therefore be now equals to 7.2, and that is our final answer. In our next video, we will be looking at the second example on sample problems relating to direct variation. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and drop your questions down in the comment section below. See you in our next video.